everyone. So let's see what is this transmission media. Okay, transmission media. So transmission media is nothing but it is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to the receiver. What is transmission media? Transmission media is a communication channel that carries the information. So it carries some kind of information from the sender to the receiver. Okay. Now data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signals. So how is the data getting transferred? It is getting transmitted through the electromagnetic signals. Okay, next one is the main functionality of the transmission media is to carry the information in the form of bits through LAN. LAN is nothing but local area network. So data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signals, right? The main functionality, so what is its main functionality? The main functionality of the transmission media is to carry the information. Their work is to carry the information in the form of bits so that they become strong through LAN. LAN is nothing but local area network. Okay, it is a physical path between transmitter and receiver in data communication. So what is it? It is a physical path between transmitter and receiver in data communication. Now next, transmission is basically of two types. Okay, first one is wired media, second one is wireless media. What is this wired media? Wired media are nothing but the medium characteristics are more important. In wired media, medium characteristics are more important. In wireless media, signal characteristics are more important. Okay, in wireless media, signal characteristics are more important, whereas in wired media, medium characteristics are more important. Now, different transmission media have different properties such as bandwidth, delay, cost, and ease of installation and maintenance. Okay, different transmission media have different properties such as bandwidth, delay, cost, and ease of installation and maintenance. For example, let's take Wi-Fi example. Okay, we have this act broadband, we have Geo, we have Airtel. So all the transmissions, they have different kind of different properties, right? Bandwidth, they have different cost, or they have different installation, they have different maintenance. So same thing, so different transmission media have different properties. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's see the characteristics of transmission media. Characteristics of transmission media are basically divided into two types. Okay, bounded or guided media, or unbounded or unguided media. So one part is bounded or guided media. The second part is unbounded or unguided media. Bounded or unguided guided media is nothing but they are physical cables. Okay, the physical cables that we see in our homes. Okay, that signals travel through a narrow path. So they travel through a narrow path, maybe our fan cables that you can see, or our light cables. Nowadays it is fixed in wall, but before we used to be, it was easy for us to see, right? So bounded media is nothing but they are physical cables that signals travel through a narrow path. Okay, what are its types? Coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and fiber optic cable. I'll explain you these three in detail in the next coming videos. Okay, you don't have to worry. Next is unbounded or unguided media is nothing but transmission media which do not have physical connections between two communicating devices. Okay, transmission media which do not have physical connection between two communicating devices, just like remote controls or something. We don't see wires there, right? So types are microwave, links, or infrared media. Okay, it's clear, right? This is characteristics of transmission media. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much.